What if owls could deliver messages? What if owls could guide lost travelers? Owls are fascinating nocturnal predators, renowned for their exceptional hunting abilities and unique adaptations. They are found worldwide in diverse habitats, including forests, deserts, grasslands, and tundras. Silent flight. Thanks to fringed feathers, noiseless, to surprise prey undetected. Exceptional vision. Their large eyes are adapted for low light. Acute hearing. Many species have asymmetrical ears. What if owls could deliver messages? Owls could revolutionize communication, especially in remote or inaccessible areas. Their silent flight and keen navigation skills would make them perfect messengers for carrying letters or small packages. Imagine a world where owls connect people across vast distances, delivering personal notes, emergency warnings, or even secret messages. What if owls could guide lost travelers? Owls, with their keen senses and nocturnal vision, could become natural navigators for lost adventurers. They might lead travelers through dense forests, dark mountain trails, or even urban jungles. By following an owl, one could find safe paths, avoid dangers, and reach destinations safely. See you in the next What If?